Nobody is talking about the fact that 1/3 of the industrialized... Do these smell?
No.
Very good. But they're really pretty.
Right, that's what's most important.
Yeah. I know you've heard about my new masterclass, Book Smarter, Not Harder, because I have been talking about it nonstop for a week. A week, y'all? Are you tired of me yet? Yeah, I thought so. But this is important. We're talking about how to tap into your intuition so you can stop doing stuff that doesn't matter. We're talking about how to reduce your workload by 80% and get better results. We're talking about how to attract collaborators to you. Nobody is talking about the fact that 1/3 of the industrialized world identifies as workaholics, and it's damaging our creativity and making you feel like crap. You're ambitious, you're talented, and it's time for this career to start working out for you. And I'm teaching the first masterclass today, which means you are running out of time to register to see it. I have 3 time options for you this week, so drop what you're doing. Head over to the page right now and pick one. Trust me, you do not want to miss this one. I'm also sharing a simple embodiment practice that you can use every day that may just change your life. I'll see you there.